In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon to your Shopify store, perfectly integrated and ready to enhance your e-commerce experience. So, if you're ready to streamline your selling process and expand your business capabilities, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left panel, which you'll see as your main navigation hub. Here, we're going to click on Apps. This section is where Shopify houses all its applications, offering you a variety of tools and integrations that can optimize your store's functionality. Now, to find the right tool to connect Amazon to Shopify, we need to head over to the Shopify App Store. You'll find this easily in the Apps section. Think of it as your go-to resource for extending the Shopify platform with powerful apps that can meet specific business needs. Once you've arrived at the Shopify App Store, the next step is to locate an app called CS Amazon Sync. This particular application is designed specifically to provide a seamless connection between your Shopify store and your Amazon account, allowing you to leverage both platforms effectively. In the search bar within the App Store, simply type in CS Amazon Sync and give it a moment to pull up the search results for you. When you see the app, go ahead and click on the Install button. This begins the process of adding the app to your Shopify account. The installation might take a little bit of time, depending on your internet connection, but once it's installed, you're one step closer to connecting your Shopify store with Amazon. After the app is successfully installed, your task is to configure it. For this, return to that left panel on your Shopify admin interface and locate the freshly installed CS Amazon Sync app. Click on it to begin setting it up. With the app now open, your next action is to establish a connection between Shopify and Amazon. You'll see a Connect button as part of the setup screen. Click on that, and it might guide you through a series of straightforward instructions designed to securely link your Amazon seller account to your Shopify store. Ensure you follow each prompt carefully, as this step is crucial for a smooth integration. Once these steps have been completed, that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected your Amazon account to your Shopify store, perfectly positioning your business to leverage the strengths of both platforms. Integrating your sales channels in this way can offer your customers a more comprehensive shopping experience and streamline your inventory management. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit these steps at any time if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!